take
No man, that good.
Oh.
So
No, you if you tell no reason why me ever take it from you.
Not tell me nothing about him, man.
I should know.
Candy behind the scenes of one, you can be yourself once. Come on, so Candy.
What do you mean for once?
Me money and
Candy always behave himself.
Alright, come now. So Papa, same thing when you just you figure say she and the youth must hungry. So that's why you carry something come. But me don't want you to say it now in disrespectful way.
No say, just
you know the
figure say.
because
Alright, no, just say it now in disrespectful way. Cause Candy, me know say Candy or this if you say it now in disrespectful way. Alright, Candy, go back to the last part where you say the last word thing, the last something you say, and don't move Candy so I can shoot cash shoulder. Alright, ready now Candy.
what may I say again?
Only part.
Oh, yeah, me no, but I tell you, I'm only minute about. Ready? You tell me say, how money you care come give me. And you don't have as much. And me tell us if you care where you have, come give me. No, me don't have me yard and wait for you. You care food.
No,
you don't need food, Candy.
No, go to your food and...
What you need
You
to say
say,
no.
when me check your wallet,
No,
nothing,
you don't need to say.
that.
What you need to go straight to, I say, me don't have me yard and me figure more or less something.
So you're hungry.
So that's why I'm
Oh,
carry
no,
food.
no.
That's why we can't afford this, because we
Okay.
can't eat and we not eat.
Who fi start out?
Right. Papaya, and make papaya. And ready now papaya.
We figure so I'm hungry, so we just get some food. We can't eat and we not eat. You don't look right.
You know what I say? You take me and me pick me for idiot.
Come around, come to check. You take me and pick me for idiot.
Alright, you have to say no on the food, but we can't then.
Money.
Me not go tell us if you come back with it. And you thank them.
Me tell us some more food. Me tell us some more money and you carry food. But take your food, bro, because you want.
Yeah, me know, because I go house with me know.
And ready now, Candy.
You know, so you take me and me pick me for idiot. Me did ask for food, me tell us I want money. Now you carry food. You go for say, Papa, hold on there.
Remember that good.
Donovan.
That good.
Donovan.
That good. Me like base a while ago, so.
Yeah.
So, Papa, you can say, you want the food or you don't want it?
Tell me go on.
Oh, you got me one.
No, sir.
So not your fault.
Alright, so Candy. When Papa,
You know the name when
Papa,
you
you say,
I just said yes.
Jesus.
Papa,
See it now.
go, come, alright, if I say, I need to tell him, Papa.
You pick up cross style.
Don't talk, and ready now.
Jesus. Let me ask you. You want the food or you not? Let me know. Because me not see sense we are quarrel for no reason. Tell us when you get to work, it's hard.
Donovan, one thing make me go take your food, that's nothing in my house. Understand me? Because I know a styling thing you're the fan.
No worry, weekend.
Not every thanks me not tell you.
Alright, come back now.
Take it back up.
So
So I go on for him, we can't go. We can later.
Leave your mama.
Energy.
Without
Yeah, pick up cross style.
So tell you what you're going to say, oh.
Come. Take up your food and give me back.
Then when he said that, you're going to give that a smile, eh, Candy?
Kick her.
Alright, Candy, you're going to stay back where you did say no about.
Kick me up, boy.
Alright, go on, Papa.
Jesus, you want the food or not?
Hello.
Donovan, one thing me I go take.
Pick up again.
Come. Not tell me nothing, me just start. Come. Donovan, one thing make me I go take your food. I chew nothing in my house. I mean, I want me pick the bed feel hungry. And I chew me hungry make me I go eat it too. But you see on the other side, a style way.
No worry, man. Something soon come.
You know,
man.
so me don't want to take it. Me don't want to take it, you know. Me just want to take it to nothing in my house, I swear. You need. And with thanks, me not tell you. Tell me say you have your money and when you not your food, everything good. No, the kitchen is where they say. Make your camera see your mouth and make your mouth.
More you look on Candy and look on Papa. Like a quarrel, them a quarrel.
Yeah, just look at it. So
Yeah, like a quarrel.
Like a
I did have the
confused.
phone for a long time, no?
You don't know how to stay for long.
Me too. Alright, ready.
Have them. Sure.
When I feel look so
That's too
fast,
obvious.
that's too
That's too
obvious.
obvious.
No,
Look
just
back
look
and
for
then
me
pass,
and
yeah,
a
look
smile.
pass,
Just
and
look on
pass,
the door,
pass,
because
ready
you
now.
know
Do a
when
face
I'm
expression.
Ah, ready now.
One sad way.
Now look up on Papa. And then hold on your head now.
Shaky.
And now we shake. Yeah. Alright, so me I go catch. The
Yeah,
next thing I'm gonna catch
remember
from
say-
Papa if you say that.
No,
Yeah,
Angel,
let me shoot from
no, ask
front.
Angel if he
No,
wants
after
something.
Papa left.
Oh,
You
oh.
ask him say. No, you ask her if she wants something. Go for one plate.
Oh, go for one plate with some of my food.
No,
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah,
I don't
for
really
sure.
say from the beginning. Go for yourself.
Well, establish other picking them, but we have to establish some other picking, you
Angel,
know.
move your hand.
Yes.
But
fine,
main
yes,
focus on this.
If two boys were united, would say yes.
So now go there.
As long as I write
Alright.
about that.
Alright, so here we do. Here we do, Candy. I still have to
Angel, come on,
establish some
guys,
other
one.
picking.
Eh?
You're black
You
already,
see,
you know.
after when Papa gone, and you send her a few plate to make she get some. Here we go do. Here we go do.
It's hot.
Alright, so here we do. We have to establish the other picking. So if we go for 2 plates for she out some for she and him brother and sister.
Just
How
go.
much are they running? A
How
five?
much kids we have?
5.
Go
Yeah.
five plates.
Look, no, let's go for some plate for sure, some for you and your brother and sister then. So when brother and sister then. Oh, is it that we can make them give them or we can't, because we don't show them or we can your birthday then up then they up then grandmother then down then grandmother. Alright, so here we go establish that. Here we go establish that then now. Tell her to go for one plate. Go make a shirt some for her. I know when Papa is gone, yeah. So when you tell her that now,
You can't send me
she
a
will
like
say,
you recipe.
she will say, no mommy, you don't want none. You can't take it. So when you can, but that's when Papa is gone, but before Papa is going and Papa is, tell her say, me can't come.
I don't know.
You tell him no, you don't want you to come up here.
I don't know.
You don't.
But still give one
Never
smile
put
from
it
him
now,
face, give him the attempt say you don't want to come up here. So before Papa is going, Papa can't say, wait, so where's the picnic them there? You can't say they don't have granny.
I think
No, and that's how
No,
we
I don't
can
feel-
bunch it in.
I don't feel, yes, I don't feel picking them. They can't think, so where is the picking them then? Say they know their grandmother. Then you can tell him, so then you can.
I can't see one.
So yeah, before Papa, make you what? Send she for food before Papa left.
feed the plate.
Yes. So probably you can say to Papa, say, you know what? I'm tired to argue, God, I'm tired to argue. Stacy, go for one plate when you get some food. So Stacy said to you, say, you know something, no money. Alright, so alright, go on in, go bed and change your clothes. So then now you and Papa can
Look
have
at
the
my
next
hair.
conversation where you expect them there. And if you can come check it.
But you
So
know
you
what I
say,
say,
yeah.
Come back, come back, come back, go sit down back.
So I'm hot,
We almost done.
Now
Let me
pay
check
me
it.
extra.
You get paid what we
Extra.
not extra, but you get paid. I can't do my mother, you know. You think I can't pick me love money?
It runs in the family.
You send Stacy now for the plate or me and talk to Papa.
The last thing that was said, that
Donovan,
was.
sorry.
Why you look at me like you want to tell me? What the problem? What is the problem?
Just Papa without the food thing, but Donovan in the shit. Don't worry, remember.
Alright, so here we go to know. Just say, you know, like you're tired of cuss.
Yeah,
You know what? Me done. Giselle, Spencer, Giselle.
Stacy.
Stacy, go for one plate in the kitchen, cut me short to my food for you. Then she can say, no, so me no want no mommy. And say, alright, go on in, go bed. Then you and Papa can have the rest of the conversation.
Right.
Me tell you. And action.
Listen to me now. We can't keep an argument then. Make done with the argument because you see when you do your wrongs them and me talk to you about it, you say me miserable and me love cuss. Me no cuss in your mouth. Anyway, Stacy, come going for
Hold on.
start over.
No, just Stacy, I go from Stacy. Ready? And action.
Anyway, Stacy, come go inside and get one I plate them. Me sure what some of my food give you.
You know something I want, mommy?
Alright, hold on. Me don't want you to say it like that.
Good man.
No, mommy, me alright. Me no want none. But if you say it now, I'm more soft or tone like,
Yeah.
you know, so me no want none, mommy. No. But if you say it like,
Just say, mommy.
no, me alright, mommy.
Alright.
You can't eat. Like, you're sorry for your mother. She could have hungry for you eat.
Yeah.
You understand? So can you set that back to her and make it look up.
No, Jaja. Every time I look at this girl, she has smile.
Hold on.
This one in the angel light.
Hold on.
Or the shit, this shadow them.
No,
Shadow?
me no want meat night, so.
Yeah.
Me no want meat create no shadow. Alright, original candy.
Anyway, Stacy, come go inside for one plate, let me share out some of the food you do. Eh?
Alright, me want you to say that again
Yeah.
first. You have to
Buy
speak up.
honey.
Sorry, Papa.
Say,
You have to
that
speak up.
would be
Yeah?
nice, huh?
That wasn't bad. That was good, but just say that.
Yeah. Tell her again.
Yeah, ready.
Anyway, Stacy, come go inside and get one plate, let me share out some of the food give you.
We don't want any mama
So you want me to eat off the food and don't give you none, that not sound good.
Yeah.
Alright. One inside go bed.
Alright, don't move. When you say about them two last time the candy. When Papa gone, I said, yeah, I said, don't pick
Don't
against
talk about-
me.
no.
I said, yeah, I said, don't pick against me, you know why not me go crazy.
That's why you alone meet off you like.
So you really don't want me to eat the food and don't give you any? Alright then. One inside go bed.
Don't move. Papa, back. Move out the mic and make it cheek. Get it up.
I tell you, stay look on.
Alright, right now, get up and go in. Alright, come back to the mic.
Just sit up and move and you know I eat the food.
Come back to the food.
Oh, half a minute tell him nothing. Big enough for your sense and know so you know.
But anyway, where is that picking there?
I don't know you're cooking with that. They are not that way.
But that's you say no, but that was good. But Papa, I like where I want to like, just sit there and take it. You know, I have not
What are you doing? What are you doing? Tell me what you do now.
Wait, because.
Why you stop the recording?
You stop.
No, it's got like 6 minutes around.
No,
6 minutes.
15,
Well,
20.
No, we don't recording before already.
alright, go on. Card up and then I don't want if you have brush up.
You need a man, you need so much for the car.
Come back, Candy.
You need $1 minute.
Watch it, Papa. Come on, buy card. I'm ready.
You know, like when I sit up and picnic and say, no, I eat from. I don't like it. But anyway, nobody ever go there.
Oh yeah, set up her against you.
Where is that picnic in there?
No, I don't know if you're picking them, so I know when you ask, like a
Like a
picnic.
field.
So where is your picnic them there?
Where is that your other man them picnic there?
The other man
Oh
them
yeah,
picnic
that's just foolish.
Don't say that.
Just say where you rest and you picnic them there and I say don't get grand. Look how long you say.
Alright, so Papa,
And you just say
when you look in at, you know, like shot where I get front of.
Move out of the feeling, girl.
Ready now, action.
You know, like when I sit up and picnic there, that's you know I eat no food from.
You set up your own and say.
Anyway, where you other picnic them there?
Don't move.
We get Shanghai.
We have to probably do that one next year when we can get
I
at
use
least
say she
5
can't come out
picnic.
of yard when we want her. Well, wait, hold on, the phone talk to you. You do something.
Alright, ready again now.
Girl,
Hey!
Ready now, Papa, ready.
tell a friend so we are shooting, no talking.
Ready now, Papa, ready.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You know, like when you sit up and picnic against me, you know, make sure you know I eat from.
Are you set up yourself?
But anyway, where you other picnic them there?
Why you so inquisitive? Why you want to know about them? Then don't have them grandmother.
Oh.
Alright, I know you're going to tell her, say,
Oh,
that
so
means I can come check you later.
you can go and check out later and show me what I sleep.
Check your mama.
No, no.
I'm not going to tell him so. I saw me just...
Smile.
Who are going to smile?
No, man, Candy, I said him, say, no, nice, way like you want it, but no. Tell him, say, listen. You know, in a way, come in and make you breathe me again.
No, this time you'll pull out.
Pull go.
No, God. Alright, alright.
Hit him.
Alright. Alright, make a little bit.
Your papa ain't no about pull out.
So, I go, them darling, granny. Can do something later if you don't want to sleep.
No. Me and have nothing more to do because me not make you breathe me.
No, pull out.
Pull out, you neither they go in or out.
Alright, so Candy,
Breed me
you know why you
again.
sound so aggressive?
Breed me
Me
again.
vex because
No,
when...
no, no,
No.
man.
He
No,
now
let's
when
breathe
he
again.
vex.
Yeah, breed me again.
Breathe again.
Where?
She said she not make you breed her. So me I say breed her again.
Me nah go make you breathe me again.
Again, you
I'm
look
saying
for the
breed you again.
So you try to take yourself and go on your yard.
But I repeat it. Talk to me now. Picture.
Me tell you. Alright, put your mouth now, already now.
So, can do something when you don't want to sleep.
Me not do nothing with you. No. And me want to come breathe again.
Me will pull out.
Pull out, you neither go, they go in or out. Go on in your yard. Go on in your yard.
Alright,
You not mind this one you want, come give me triplet now. You go find them.
No wrong. Government in mind.
See where they. So you come in, go on straight to your yard, they should have dropped.
Oh, you missed that. What was the job?
Me don't know why you camera is zooming.
BTS. BTS.
Catch him, man. Don't worry yourself. No worry, we catch you. We catch you nearly drop, man. Don't worry yourself. Yeah.
So you want me 5 minutes in the water?
Alright, come back in and scene and make you walk out.
Papa, you have to go do like that over to the play, but BTS.
No, come on.
BTS catch that, me now go.
Want if you have some level of seriousness.
Can do that one.
Papa, you have to try to come back.
Yeah, so you can't mess it. Just leave. After that story, but you have to
Before you
make
move,
it come.
Papa, before you move, let me get some shot with Candy look like one like my talk to you. Just some shot with you all look on Candy. No, not like that, but I look on Candy, my talk to you.
All people are looking at the camera.
You do it too.
Say,
Like, not deliberately, but
you have a nice smile, though. That's one of the good things. You have a nice smile.
Yeah, you have to go and tear that.
Go and look on him, Candy. Go and look on him. Go and look on him.
I can't tell my phone now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. No, we'll catch Candy. Go and look on him, Candy. Papa, you walk out. But so we ask you, so come go on your yard.
I know my
Sorry,
ugly.
Angel. You not feel
Alright,
nice,
sorry, Mom.
Stand over there so we don't feel.
I know I'm ugly. But it's just life. I'm not
Start.
ugly.
Oh,
I never say nothing still, but
you pull out.
Ready?
You're not ready.
Ready?
You pull out.
You neither they go in nor out. Me not do that again for you come breed me. And give me triplet, you not mind one. You go mind four, one in your yard. One in your yard.
So no, Candy.
You should have dropped.
BTS. Subscribe.
Alright, hold on.
We can use Marlon. Marlon.
Man, too big.
Marlon.
I want to girl behind the camera.
Brother.
Man, too big.
Hey, I'm here. Shake my
Angel.
finger.
What for one for?
Candy. Papa, you going to walk?
Mommy, I don't eat rice with fork. I eat rice with spoon.
Brother, you see me on your
What?
right spoon?
Go inside and walk.
Like spoon and it's a burger.
Stand up, Candy. Stand up, Candy. And Papa, walk out. Just down now, Candy.
Me money now.
Already know, walk out.
you don't have no money on you. If you don't have no money on you, woman.
Slow now, Candy.
Subscribe.
Okay, man. Don't follow him. I'm not getting on my juice.
Me not. Sure.
And we keep the music.
I was trying to pelt out my face. It must look blacker than the word black now. Jesus. I was trying to pelt me and maybe sit down and look. Me a look. I'm hungry now. I have me a look.
Well, I'm not online class now going.
Leave me alone.
Alright, no problem.
Stop down again. Tell me say bye-bye. You need to put your hand.
See what go on over here, so.
I like where they know. You make Facebook say, YouTube say, oh, she smell the fat and I smell the food instead of the
I
food.
can touch it. Go on, touch it.
That's your business.
Stop talking. Go on, do it. Wash your eyes shadows. Bye. Alright, good. We get that one.
Yes, my people, how you doing in Canada, New York, Africa,
So we get you all of that scene out of here now.
Jamaica, all over the globe.
Me ask you what else we can do.
No, the globe. Yeah, the globe. That's all I know. Yeah, listen, this going
Come
on.
here. Girl, come here. We are going. You see me want to talk to you. See you and me and no friend again in a youth. This and this, man. Everything good.
Watch out. Alright, I don't want to name the car.
I'm filming right now.
Somebody will call you, sir.
Richie.
Alton, if I say your name. Put them in the video.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Give me 10 minutes. Yeah, sure. Alright. After I know say me. Wait till you see that BTS here. We ain't talking like Richie. We don't know how we do it.
No, me ask a while ago.
Yeah.
I know you want.
You don't tell me I come.
I know, I can't better put gas in our chick here.
That's it.
No, man.
That's a good
No,
gentleman. That's a good gentleman. Right from the house without the bunch.
I don't have no money, but my broke, I rang somebody else. Say take people the money.
You kind of want it. Say you can take out the 1,000 out of your pocket.
What give me $50? Come give me people the money.
No, I don't want it, so I take it. But serve too long, serve it too master.
Come give me people the money.
So please.
Please.
So please load me then can hear.
Please.
And thank you. Say and thank you.
Yeah, go along with it. Take it.
If
Can I have my money?
some
Don't
shop
take people the money.
It is my money.
Stupid woman, you them mad.
You the craze. It is my money.
I fear
And
money.
you gave it to him, so I took
Because I wanted to give it to him. If I wanted to give it to him, it's not. You should not.
So
give
it's
me my
mine now,
money.
because I take it from him.
Ah.
It's yours.
Please tell her to give me my money, oh.
You're mad,
Speaking
oh.
over there, oh.
Can you two fight?
Now,
Fight
Mama,
oh.
oh, one hour.
Fight oh.
I'm not laughing, Mama. One hour. I want my money, oh.
Fight.
Mama, please, one hour.
Fight.
I am eating. Don't come.
Fight. Fight.
Couple it out, two it out.
Fight.
Fight.
Why stop disgrace yourself?
Couple it in, couple it under.
Fight.
Why stop
But the
disgrace
under.
yourself?
Bye-bye.
Fight no, fight no, fight.
But the
You're
under.
not getting it back. You gave it.
Give people the money.
But yeah.
Stupid man.
I'm thirsty.
I'll slap you off.
The money I had, I gave you guys to buy food. Now I'm thirsty.
Drink water.
I don't want water.
The pipe is full.
Mama, I'll tell her I don't want water. Oh.
I be African show then watch them.
Nah.
You are stupid.
I will slap you off.
Slap me, oh.
I will slap
And
you.
we will fight. We will roll
No.
that.
Try me.
I will not try you, Mama. One her. Mama, one her. Oh.
One
I want
how.
my money.
No, God. I binge in an African movie, them have to blur it, mate. No, sir.
Nah. Thunder like me.
Thunder like me.
Thunder
Ma, you are hearing these things, so you are hearing.
Can I give people them their money? So, Papa,
Which one can buy me? No, I'm not telling you.
Oh, like to me and my cousin, me say sick and me come look for him.
One bicycle me want.
I get the dream.
Even when I look at one, when I can pedal.
I'm
I'm tired of take taxi now.
take taxi somewhere, man.
I'm tired of charter car. I cannot manage it. I need a bicycle to ride go to town for a nigga. One of them race a bicycle.
Okay. Okay, my general.
What's my mama coming up?
What?
What age do you want to get married?
I don't want to get married.
At all?
Man, I crosses.
Right, so
Okay.
I'm going to go to have a conversation.
What type of
You're that type of person.
What type of person?
Eh,
What type of
that second letter of the word in the alphabet.
I'm like, oh, sister, man, crosses.
Not all of them, some of them.
But thank God you deserve a clap for that because a while ago you frightened me. Same thing goes for women.
Me crosses. Me
You know when I
crosses.
become a
Cross is
crosses?
too nice for you.
Every.
You know when I become a
Cross
crosses?
is too nice for you.
Hello, what you know about me?
Cross is too nice for you.
What you know about me?
Too nice for you.
What you know about me?
Can't pick up the roll of Cross.
What you know about me?
Nice for you.
I don't understand. What you know about me?
Honestly, I'm not really care with it because I'm a mixed breed. So,
Me not.
it's they
Papa.
call me drunk.
How I going? She said cross is too nice.
Control
I
him,
don't understand.
please.
Cross is too nice
Time.
for you.
Yeah, boy, oh boy.
Yeah, man, me get what you're saying. So we just want to establish something. Me come.
Angel,
BTS, remember, I'm here,
go to your room.
I'm here, I'm here.
And this one, some man crosses, so have to just bear in mind. So she
No, the
sees
one
me
them-
as
no,
crosses.
And the one them where she take up his crosses. She don't go out there and test the field before you carry home. You have to
No, me
test,
gladly.
You have to test the
No.
style before you carry home.
Yeah, we saying, man, we're going
No, me
That's how
gladly.
you have to do it.
I would gladly take the seat of a crosses guy. So you know, say certain things gonna bring to the crosses man. Yeah, so me gladly take the seat of the guy that is a crosses.
Why you not take a seat?
Nah, man, me take it, man.
Okay, alright.
Me take it.
No,
I'll
I'm
take
not
it.
gonna take a seat that don't fit me. I'm a loving person. I love. When I love, I love.
So we can close
But if you break me heart, I'm not standing there again because you say bone hot.
Do you like that girl, Papa?
Well, she have all the qualification,
What kind
but
of?
I don't know about the cooking part and the cleaning part and the working part because when woman pretty take care of them home, they don't know how to do nothing. I like me to tell them, Empress? Right.
So you don't know if you do nothing?
Alright, no head, man. Me know what to do. Alright, me know what to do.
That's why.
Alright, me know what to do.
Which one,
Me know what
man?
to do. Alright, so
Lord
Popeye.
have mercy,
Popeye.
I'm go this way.
Come on for that then, I will tap to Popeye.
Now I'm go this way.
Popeye, here what one now, come. Yeah man, tap me that.
Early part.
Popeye, come with us, come with us.
Lord have mercy.
Popeye, come on man.
I'm
Easy distracted,
Aquarius.
so dog. When easy distracted. You can't go to so I'm responsible for her. Her mother put me in charge.
I need something to
You
do.
know, I know look.
You know, say your mother put me in charge of you though.
She tell me which is why I come with them, I never stay.
Me blows are scared. No, God.
Respond, me know you chat to her, don't talk to her.
So you carry one parental guide form where she sign up and thing?
No, it's a verbal agreement me and me mother have.
Okay.
Don't talk to her.
No, alright. Remember I said
Do
nothing
not
to you.
talk
You
to
hear what I
her.
say?
Stop now,
Oi,
man.
hello, listen what I say. Do not talk to you. If you step in a one hole and you sink, don't call me name. Okay.
Alright, yeah, come now, yes. Alright, so you eh?
She tells you you
But your
respond
mother
to
put
her.
me in charge of you.
Yes.
Oh, okay, Ackeen, give me $1,000, let's get it back. I want me.
Water, buy water.
Okay, I want water. What do you want?
Water, hot.
I don't trust any water. Go and drink.
What you want? What you want? She want Pepsi.
No, you can't drink too much fruit. Drink water.
Oh, want cranberry water.
Drink water.
cran water.
Come water.
I'm not buying nothing. I joke where wa.
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
And cran water. Alright, so Papa, come.
You want her?
That's why I went curious and talking.
I know this is me as a mommy.
Tired. Alright, so you want one now?
Angel.
Angel, come here.
Manchester United.
Alright, so you want one?
You my jacket no.
Alright, let's go. Candy, Papa. When can I have your
Everybody knows. They always give me name a monster and bad and worst person people. So I'm just take it. I not even bother oppose or try nothing. Ackeen are the worst guy in the world. Alright, fine. Ackeen crosses. Cool, no problem. Whatever, I'll take it. It's fine. May I ride off my bike now? Come now, may I ride bike now? Okay.
But wait before me tell you about the song back. Alright, so here scenario them we are going to do. Candy. You take sit down now. So, me attack video me. What kind of video person you video?
You and you said I should stop. So
No man, stop when we attack. When we attack.
Jaja.
Alright, so you are going to know. So Candy, scenario them we are going to do. You see, me and your cousin. Then, drive me, come link you. Tell me say Auntie Sita. Curious Auntie sister. Auntie Sita call me, tell me say she dream.
Subscribe.
Say you get one blow.
Job.
You get one blow, and if you come pick you up and carry out.
So, you know, cut you. And a friend me they eat the food, me should have face it.
No, say you be on a work so hard, me nothing.
Well,
Me don't know.
well, we see where past some man.
Same time?
What you mean?
What you
Same
mean?
time in belly start at them money and
Woman move more time out at 10
No,
time
when
and come back
this
in.
we are not about same time, afterwards though. So come look for you. Tell us now, Ackeen, you have should have seen me. Come tell us now, Auntie Sita, call me. Come down from country. Carry out because she said she dream. So you're sick. You get one blow up. And if you carry out a pastor grant. I know what the hell it is.
Pastor, we are go.
Pastor grant. You know?
Right.
If you carry out pastor grant.
Right.
Because he's my only person can pray for you and get you better. So I have to say, so woman can never call me, you have your number. I said, well, I got no, you're sick, I have to know who to call. I feel like I dead now. Because we want to get some conversation outside, so we're going to definitely talk and drag out one scene outside. Then we're going to do a next scene, but probably before me come, where Popeye can look for you. When Popeye can look for you now,
We can roses see you, baby. You alright?
but before you carry roses come, what would I want to do? Angel buck you up on the road and tell us, Daddy,
Mommy's sick.
Mommy sick, you know.
We are sick.
When are you not come down there?
I'm from when you come. He said, I'll lie, I didn't know.
phone call. I'll
Try
come.
come. Yo. Alton.
Hey man, time me come. Tell me
Alton.
10 minutes.
No, I'm not that. Get one more thing, but
Joanna?
JMB,
I told you. Still there, fine.
So why no make it?
Just a little bit of cold.
Make it first send it to the phone game.
JMB, hold up.
Through Zoom. And then go call it down there. Go down there, go call
No,
it.
come, you're supposed to go in my account.
Well, now we're planning to go in our account if a problem in there. Go down,
Alright,
go joy.
So, Popeye, more angel buck up on the road and
Love
say,
smile,
Daddy,
I think.
Access.
you know, say, mommy down a yard sick. I
Oh,
must say a
God.
lie, so nobody not can tell me nothing. I
Right.
say, yes, Daddy, mommy down a yard sick. So you left and you come down here now, come look for her. I say, my name knows you're sick.
Alton again.
Yo! Alton, where you say? as much as we can get out of this segment. Can we get half an hour out of this? Then if other scenery gets here now, and sometimes we are trying to get one next half an hour.
What that is?
Smell like food to blows and stuff.
Smell nice, not just so me just watch.
Smell like cake to bumbo.
I used to them by yourself.
Oh,
Cantu.
let me see.
Yes. Yeah, Cantu, yeah.
How much for this candy?
1,000 something. You saw them by
What have you done?
1,000 something feet, Papa. You don't like your price and you don't take care of your years. So
It's like five.
This is not for your year,
It's
give
like
me.
$5.99, $6.99 in New York.
Mama, I'm 15 years.
Give me.
Bye-bye, son.
Don't use when you using it. I don't want you smell like.
How many locks are here, Papa?
No,
Why?
Rasta.
Dirty head. This not for
I ain't
dirty
hear grow
hair and you don't like wash it. You just wash me head and this.
Rasta.
Rasta door.
Rasta. No, me.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
No. Sun hot. I want the sun hot in my head.
Oh, I thought it was sending you something.
You know, buy Cantu shampoo them to
And then me use you or trust me. Who you told me? Be a dear sit me using on my head. You see me here pretty and nice. I want to you.
You know, me always wonder, me always think, when we see candy locks first, you know, we think I did sitting there putting it in.
I know you
Yeah,
have
fake locks them.
One girl take it so.
Do you think so?
See me in a Beauty 21 and say I falls. And I say, just hold it
Yeah.
and pull. See me and they pull it. I say, girl, he hot. He's still a pull it. I say, alright. He say he falls.
Yeah, but you see, me think I wool. Me think I wool because they have some wool locks.
I know and you have some falls here. They look like mine.
But this ain't no falls here. This is all
You have some
natural.
falls here. You have, you know, look exact like this, you know. You have some falls here. It almost look like this. So enough people ask me if I falls.
But you could tell the difference though.
Yeah.
I'm an inspect down now too.
You have to go and
They are
inspect.
natural too.
My hair natural.
Natural should be chicken. They are natural.
But you ready? Yo.
Ackeen, Popeye, go change, candy, change.
Right, so my time for shoot.
Ackeen, make we shoot, but candy, come on, candy. Make we shoot the scene with Big coming and stuff.
Alright, BTS done people, me I go shoot I know. Later.
Alright, you see this I see that with candy?
Hold on there people. Hold on there. I hope your autofocus have little favors me. I hope your autofocus favors me. So yeah, behind the scene I not normally get for catch, but we catch it now. See me here record with the nice black magic camera. So I'm gonna record one scene now with them two people I don't know the movie, but I know the scene then, so I'll just shoot the scene them and deliver it to whoever for that to put it in the movie. I always try to talk fast and I mismerge them. But yeah. So black magic there, audio, everything. Horror. I learn. You see me? Always I learn. I have fun while doing it.
Yeah, go more.
Go up more way.
What do you mean? Music.
My youth, come. When I use no sound right, that's a conversation sound I use. Anyone walk me out and then I pay. Eh? Yes, so you walk come from so yeah. So I don't know. You see, actor they don't know their job in the people. They want act, they want direct, they want boy, may I tell you, John no star. Boy.
Where's the fucker?